Hey everyone, today in this video I want to walk you through the Narwal Flow map settings. If you're interested in the flow or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So to get to the Narwal Flow map settings, we're in our Narwal device right here. Right hand side of the screen, there is a square icon towards the top right hand corner. It's right below the X icon. It's got a couple lines going diagonally a couple different directions. That's supposed to be a map, so we can select that. And then here we have our main map, we have a map editing option, we have a map type, color, or 3D, and then we can choose our display settings. So on our particular map, do you want to show any of these things or not? Toggle them on or off. We're gonna go look at the map editing section though. This is where you'll spend most of your time editing and building out your map. So first up, we have the split option here. So we can choose to split different rooms. So we could select a room, then you just drag and drop, reposition that line to split it. We also have the merge option, so we could select two rooms, hit that green check, and merge those rooms together. What's nice is they have a helpful little question mark icon walking you through splitting a room and walking you through merging rooms. So everything's really easy to figure out. We'll go back, then we have our rename section, so we can rename a room. Again, helpful section here, walking you through renaming it. So we could select living room, and then we have all these different presets, or we can customize it ourselves. Then we have furniture management, so we could add furniture here. It doesn't improve the map from anything that we found, it's just for your own preference. Then we have floor material, so we could change the floor material. Take a look at this, general hardwood, tile floor. You got multiple options here, depending on your floor type. Then we have the carpet settings. You definitely want to make sure you get your carpet settings right. By default, go ahead, get this how you want it when it encounters new carpet in an area. And then you can customize each particular area how you want it to handle carpet in just that room or on that rug. So very nice. Then we have no-go zones. We can add multiple no-go zones. Everything's drag and drop. You can add no vacuum and mop zones, you can add no vacuuming zones, and you can add just no mopping zones. So pick and choose which one you want. Again, super helpful, showing you how to set these up, but it's all drag and drop. Then we have heavily soiled room, so you can identify a room, like it automatically added a heavily soiled room to the bathroom, but we can toggle that on or off, right? If it's a heavily soiled room or not, up to you. How you want it to handle those rooms. Basically, if you select a heavily soiled room, it will start intensive cleaning to ensure a nice clean floor. So maybe you want to have that by like your entryway, your back door, your bathrooms, things like that, a heavily trafficked area. Very cool. And then lastly, we can edit the floor plan. So let me show you that right here. Basically, we can drag and reposition the walls to get everything mapped better. So you can change basically the exterior of your map. So we could select this area and then look what we can do to that room. So we can pull those out to expand if needed. And then working our way back up to the top right hand corner, map management. So from here, we can quickly edit our map again. That was the settings we were just at. We can adjust a cleaning order here. So how do you want the cleaning sequence to go? We can toggle on or off no stairs. That'll help if you have lots of thresholds. So it can better climb over obstacles. If you have stairs, you need to leave that on so it doesn't fall down the steps. You can add multiple maps here, up to 4 maps at one time. It's very easy to add a secondary map. So that's map management. And then back here, if you hit that settings icon, top right hand corner next to the magnifying glass, it's the first one if you're looking at it from the left to right side. This also takes us to the map management options right there too. So a lot of customization within the Narwal Flow settings for mapping.